Hey guys, today in this video I'll show you how you can see your Instagram password. So keep watching till the very end and let's get started. First of all, open the Instagram app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, you will be redirected to the home page. Now, if you are signed into the Instagram app and don't remember your password, follow these steps. Tap on the profile icon at bottom right corner of your screen and open the hamburger menu icon located at top right corner. Now, tap on the Settings and Privacy tab at the top and then access the Account Center. On this page, a number of features will be present. Simply tap on the Password tab, then select Change Password and tap on your Instagram account. Here, you can see when your password was last changed, so you might be able to remember it. As of now, you won't be able to see your account password due to security reasons. But if you can't remember it, go back one step, tap on Save Login, and make sure it is toggled on. After turning it on, if you log out of your account, you will be able to log in again without entering your account password. The other thing you can do is close everything, open any type of preferred browser and search for Instagram.com. Now, if you try to log in, your mobile device will try to autofill and you will be able to see your password by tapping on the Show Embed beside it. Note that this feature only works if you have your account password saved onto the iCloud or Google servers. So that's basically how you can see your Instagram password. So that's all for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.